In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Facebook ad post in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a great starting point and turn it into an eye-catching ad that fits your message and brand. First, open Canva and head to the Templates area. You'll usually find templates prominently on the homepage or in the main sidebar. Clicking it takes you into Canva's massive library of ready-made designs. This is the fastest way to get professional layouts without starting from a blank canvas, which saves time and helps you focus on the message rather than spending hours on structure. Next, use the search bar and type Facebook post ad. This filters the gallery to layouts that are sized and styled for Facebook posts, so you're not guessing about dimensions. You'll see options tailored for the feed, which tend to be square and designed to stand out on mobile. Sticking to this category helps ensure your text remains legible and the composition looks balanced where your audience will actually see it. Now browse through the template options. Take a moment to notice the overall visual style, the use of color, and how the headline and image work together. Look for strong contrast so the message is easy to read at a glance, and choose something that suits your brand's tone, whether that's bold and energetic or clean and minimal. You can always change colors and images later, so prioritize a layout with a clear hierarchy and a place for a short, punchy call to action. When you've found a good match, click Customize this template. Canva will open the design in the editor so you can make it yours. Start by updating the headline to the core benefit you offer. Keep it brief and specific. Adjust the supporting text to clarify the offer or add a key detail. Swap in your brand colors and choose fonts that are readable on small screens. Replace any placeholder images with product photos or relevant visuals. You can drag in your own or pick from Canva's library. Use cropping and positioning to keep the subject clear and centered. Refine spacing and alignment for a clean, professional look. Make sure there's enough breathing room around text, and check that important elements aren't too close to the edges. Aim for a simple composition: one focal image, one clear headline, and one obvious action. That's it. You clicked into Templates, searched for Facebook post ad, browsed for a strong layout, customized the template, and edited it to fit your brand and message. You now have a polished Facebook ad post ready to grab attention.